Actually, it's iftar time. So basically, people are in their respective homes and having iftar, breaking their fasting. Okay, so here, this side. I'm giving you a little tour here. It's actually very calm, and the weather today is fair, not too bad. So I'm here. This okay, so I'm going to the petrol station. I want to see if the 24/7 stores is open because I want to buy the electricity code. Here there's no bill, it's an electricity code here, so you have to buy it. Okay, so this is how it looks here. Look at that, all closed. Yeah, so peaceful. This is the parking machine. It's a tool. That's where you're gonna get your ticket to pay the parking. So yeah, this store is open. So I think these people out here are done with their iftar. So look at this side. This side is really look at that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm here, but unfortunately they're still closed, so I have to wait here for 30 minutes. Okay. I have to wait here for 30 minutes. So, yeah. Okay, so the guy said they'll be open in 5 minutes. Not bad. I'll just wait here and tour you around. That is so guys, it's still closed, and another guy said that it's 30 minutes. They'll come back in 30 minutes. Oh no, I'll walk a little bit and come back. I think I'll get bored 30 minutes just standing there. Okay, no problem. It's just so guys, this is how it looks here. Daytime, nobody's gonna be on the road because you know it's too hot and everybody's fasting and everybody's just staying at home, so nobody, the road is empty. Daytime. Nighttime, yeah, they're free and they're going outside, they're going to their families, because that's how they are celebrating the Ramadan, especially after Iftar. So I think it's just 1 week remaining, Ramadan will be finished. That's why they're having this party from family to family. Okay, so these things are open, but I have to walk a little bit far to reach that one more 24/7 store there. See, they are sale 65%, but who will come for 65%? Everybody don't have work. No work, no pay. So 65%, I don't think so. That's the view over there. Yeah, all here are closed. Closed. I think I'm reaching this another store. This is good. So I will not wait for that 30 minutes there. So it's better for me. Okay guys, bye for now. That's all for tonight. Bye for now. See you in my next video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you will be updated any time I will post a video. Bye.